I know what you're thinking. What is Mr. Dean doing outside in the rain? Well, you know what? I got my umbrella, I got some boots on, I got a hat on, and you know what? You could still have fun. Who needs the umbrella? You could just come find a puddle, and you could jump in it. You could twirl around. You could even try to maybe look for some worms. Let's see if we can find any. Oh, you know what? We can't find any. Maybe they're hiding and they'll be out later. So you know what? It's okay if it's raining. You could still have fun. You could sing the song, rain, rain, go away, come again some other day. Or you know what? You could just make up songs. You could say clap, clap, clap your hands, clap, clap, clap your hands, clap, clap, clap your hands, feel the rain on your hands. So like I said, this is a very short video. I just want to show everyone that just because it's raining out and the sun is not out, you could still have fun. But remember, if you want to play in the rain, always ask your mom and dad and say, hey mom and dad, come with me. So you guys have a great afternoon, and I'll see you later. Bye.